The Baghdad Battery, an ancient secret or a hidden power. What exactly is the Baghdad Battery? Who were the people who uncovered this artifact? Can this forgotten technology still work today? Where did this invention begin? And how could this single discovery reshape our understanding of history? These are the questions everyone wants answered. What is the Baghdad battery? Lithium-ion battery, lithium polymer battery, alkaline battery, solid-state battery. These are the power sources of the modern world. Some run our smartphones and laptops, others power hybrid vehicles. The name refers to a combination of three items: a ceramic pot, a simple clay container, a tube made of copper, and a rod of iron, all discovered together. Its true purpose remains uncertain, but most experts believe it may have been used to generate electricity thousands of years ago. Who discovered it? A German archaeologist named William Koenig, who studied the artifact in the 1930s and suggested that it could be a battery. As soon as this discovery surfaced, researchers and scientists rushed to investigate this mysterious device. Can this ancient technology be used in today's modern age? Scientists continue attempting to recreate the battery, testing it with vinegar and lemon juice to see if it truly produced electricity. So far, every attempt to make it to work fully has failed. Ancient civilization may have understood technology far more than we ever imagined.